I shall now put the motion. माननीय मंत्री जी करें. Sorry, please. Very sorry. Yes.
That's all right, sir, absolutely fine. So just very quickly to give a very brief background on where we are today. We had to bring an ordinance because a lot of tax related compliances were due at that time when the lockdown was announced. We realized that many of the people who are tax assessees cannot do their compliances even if they wish to do. Therefore, we had to amend or bring in an ordinance, and the ordinance was issued on 31st March 2020, which essentially was for deferring the date of compliances both for direct and indirect taxes. Also, the customs and excise also had to be covered similarly. Therefore, we had to bring in the ordinance for including these deferrals of dates. Furthermore, the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme and also the Sabka Vishwas both required some date deferrals for compliance, and the last date was falling in the period of the COVID and in the period of COVID lockdown. As a result, this ordinance was brought in on 31st March 2020. We are trying to replace that ordinance with a bill. But now that we are coming with a bill, we have brought in other clauses also which may be timely for us to do it, so that the investments which are coming into the country are facilitated, like making sure that the IFSC GIFT City has better provisions for investments into ADIA and so on. ADIA's, sovereign funds investment into this country. The new additions to this post the ordinance in this bill are also to make sure that the landmark decision that the Honorable Prime Minister made in bringing in faceless assessments in taxation. Faceless now even appeals. Powers for the faceless being put at a higher level in terms of hierarchy are all being made a part of the law itself, just so that the government's commitment towards making taxation a lot more transparent a process is clear. So the addition over and above the ordinance which was introduced on 31st March is to add these kind of amendments so that the survey powers, revisionary powers of faceless are extended to every realm of the taxation. Therefore, also one other feature which is being newly added over and above the amendments which were included in the ordinance is to reduce the TDS and TCS rates from 100 to 75, which means 25% we are giving as taxation foregone. So these are essentially to make sure that people who have compliance related issues, because the deadlines were falling within the COVID lockdown period, are given extended dates so that they are not put to hardship. So largely this is the feature. With this said, and I appreciate all the members who have spoken about it, having gone through the amendment bill that we're bringing in, and I seek all your support, their support through you, sir, to pass this, which is a timely set of amendments.
Thank you, Nirmala ji. I shall now put the motion.